Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to understand Credit One's credit score monitoring. So if you follow these tips, if you do this stuff, you're going to get a better understanding on Credit One's credit score monitoring. Now the first is to review the credit scores monitoring terms and conditions. So if you go through the credit scores monitoring terms and conditions, obviously that's going to give you a better understanding on the credit score monitoring. Next, if you understand you need to understand the credit score monitoring features. That is, credit score tracking. You need to know how that's done, because that's going to give you a better understanding, of course, on credit score monitoring. Also, you want to review credit score monitoring eligibility requirements. So you got to make sure that you review that, and that's going to give you a better understanding on things, make you more knowledgeable. You also want to understand the credit score monitoring benefits. So you could make use of credit score alerts and such, and that's gonna benefit you a lot and gonna save you a lot of headaches and make your process easier. Also, you can review and understand credit score monitoring exclusions and limitations, and by having comprehensive knowledge on its exclusions and limitations, that's going to save you a lot of headaches later in the future. You also want to consider using the Credit One's credit score monitoring tools, because those tools are designed to save you a lot of headaches and make your credit score building process much more smoother. Also, you want to contact Credit One's customer support if you have any questions or concerns, and they're going to help you to get a better understanding of things. And also make sure you review and understand credit score monitoring programs details, because that's going to give you better insights into things. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to understand Credit One's credit score monitoring. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.